Now next type of sum is that is sequencing. We have to minimize the cost of the project or processing time of a given any project. So first in this type of sum we have to decide a sequence. Okay, where the 2 machines is given and 3 machines and the number of job is more than 4 and 5. Okay, so first we have to decide a sequence. Suppose we have the 2 jobs A and B, and this is 2 machine and the jobs are given as job 1, job 2, job 3, job 4 and 5. Okay, and the machine A will take time 3 hours. This is also 3, 7, 5 and 2, and here 6 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hours and 5 hours. Okay, after this first we have to decide a sequence. So sequence will give you in which job you have to perform first. Okay, and the order of the sequence is already specified in the question, that is first we have to perform the job first we have to perform the job on machine A or machine B. So in the machine, suppose AB order is given, sometimes they are writing AB and BA, that is already specified. So as per the question we have the order is A and B. Okay, maximum time AB in the sequence is already given. Okay, now these are the five box we will make: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First we have to search for the minimum processing time. Always remember, A job we will perform first and B job we will perform last. So here the minimum we have 1, and this is for the B machine, so the minimum this will get cancelled, and this job we will perform 4 at the last. Okay, now next minimum is what? 2, and here is also 2. So this job is for the machine A, so I will cancel this, and this will be performed at the first, so this will become 5, and this is again minimum, so this will be performed at second last. Okay, this will get cancelled, this will also get cancelled. Now the next minimum is for machine 1 and machine 2, both are minimum. Either you can take 1 first, or you can take second first. Okay, so here if I will take 2 first, so I will get, this will get cancelled, so second will be performed here and first will be performed here. This we can interchange. Okay, because both the machine having the same minimum processing time. Okay, so this is a sequence. Sometimes in the exam they are asking only for the sequence, so we can identify the sequence till here. Okay, repeat the step. Always remember, you have to select a minimum, and minimum if for the first machine then it is performed first, if it is for the second machine it will be performed at last, then you will get this type of sequence. Okay, after this we have to make a table of in and out of the project. So we will make a column. So this is job, machine, A, machine B. Okay, here you will write in, out, this is also in, out. Okay, now we'll consider the first sequence. So we have the job 5 first, then job second, then first, then third, then fourth. Okay, now in and out we'll make a column.